If Krita is giving you an error when saving a file, don't worry, this is usually fixable, and in this video I'll walk you through the most common reasons it happens and the best ways to save your work safely. This issue is often caused by cloud storage apps like OneDrive, iCloud, or Google Drive locking the file while Krita is trying to write to it, which can stop the save process. So, if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, the easiest thing to try is saving the file somewhere completely local on your computer. In Krita, go up to File, then choose Save As. Instead of saving inside a folder that is synced with OneDrive, iCloud, Google Drive, or any other cloud backup service, pick a location that is fully outside those synced paths. A good option is to create a new folder directly on your main C drive or save it to your desktop if that folder is not being synced by cloud software. The key here is to avoid any folder that might be monitored or locked by background sync tools while you are working. When you name the file, keep it simple. Use a short, clean file name and also make sure the folder name is simple too. Try not to use special characters, symbols, or extra spaces just in case they are causing the save problem. For example, a name like Project 1 or Artwork Backup is much safer than something with unusual punctuation or very long folder names. Once you've chosen the local destination and given it a simple name, save the file again and see if the error is gone. If that still doesn't solve the issue, the next best step is to execute your work in a different file format. Sometimes Krita can run into a problem with the native .cr save structure, especially if something in the configuration or file data is corrupted. To get around that, click File, then choose Export instead of Save As. This is important because export gives you more format options and can help you preserve your work in another way. In the File Type drop-down menu, try exporting as .ora, which stands for Open Raster, or .psd, which is the Photoshop format. Both of these formats are excellent if you want to keep your layers, groups, and transparency intact. That means you won't lose your layer row progress, and you can continue editing later in another session or even in another compatible app. If .ora or .psd still fail, don't panic. As a backup option, export the file as a flat .png or .tiff. This won't keep your layers separate, but it will at least save a high-resolution version of your artwork so you don't lose everything. Sometimes saving a flattened copy is the difference between losing progress and having a usable image you can continue from. Now let's talk about another very common cause of Krita save errors, low disk space. If your drive is running out of storage, Krita may not be able to finish writing the file properly, so check your available space on the drive where you are saving the project, and if needed, free up some storage before trying again. Delete old downloads, empty the recycle bin, move large files to another drive, or clear out temporary files so Krita has enough room to complete the save. In many cases, simply saving to a local folder using a simple file name and making sure you have enough drive space is enough to fix the problem immediately. If you're still running into issues, the safest move is to export a backup copy first so you don't lose your progress while troubleshooting. So to recap, if Krita won't save your file, first move it to a local folder outside CloudSync, keep the file and folder name simple, then try exporting to .ora or .psd to preserve your layers. And if that still doesn't work, save a flat .png or .tiff and clear out some drive space. These steps solve most Krita save errors quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more practical software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Krita problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.